Today, we show you the fully automatic 4-roller plate rolling machine production line. The whole process of automatic loading and unloading, automatic loading and feeding system, accurate docking, to ensure that the plate is smoothly fed into the 4-roller plate rolling machine, avoiding manual intervention and improving production efficiency. Next, the 4-roller coiler starts to work. Through the coordinated operation of the 4 rollers and the automatic adjustment of the upper pallet, it realizes high precision rounding and ensures that the rolled material is even and beautiful. Finally, the servo side discharging mechanism sends the rolled plate out easily, completing the whole process seamlessly, and quickly enter the next production process. Fully automatic 4-roller plate rolling machine production line, helping enterprises to move towards a new era of intelligent manufacturing. Want to know more? Welcome to private letter or message.